So good morning, everyone. Sorry I had to get disconnected. Some technical issues. Anyway, so we were discussing on the uh, mind and brain chart. What is the mind and brain chart? So let me tell you one thing very briefly. In the 12 segments that we made on the block, what we did, what did we really do, and how? What does it contain? Now, if you go by the extreme left hand side, there are 4 spaces that you can make. The first one is the physical world, which takes care of all the 5 senses, that the sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. And here we know and we are aware of the time and the space in our lives. This particular segment works at a frequency of 14 to 21 cycles per second. This is known as the beta level, and this, if you make in the chart, when you make, you can color it up as blue. The second one below that, which is the alpha center, also known as the inner conscious level, that works between 7 and 14 cycles per second. And here it is in the spiritual side of the brain, of the mind, where no time or space really is seen, or we are beyond time and space as such in those levels, and we can project ourselves effectively, all our sensing faculties effectively with full awareness to wherever we want to correct problems. This can be colored as green. The third segment is a very small segment between 4 and 7 cycles per second, red in color, also is inner conscious level, and this is known as the theta level. Here you can do healing of your own body. You can even undergo painless surgery, dentistry, or even childbirth. The last segment, which I was just discussing about, is that the doorway from where we enter into from the spiritual world, or from the cosmic energy, or from the supreme energy of which we are a part. That is known as the connection with the higher intelligence, and there is the delta that is between the almost 0 to 4 cycles per second, and this is known as the unconscious level. We color this as black because it is unknown. We do not know where this dimension is, and this is the door. We call it as a doorway to the spiritual dimension. So this is how the whole chart works. And to go more deeper into this, we can still, there's so many things that we can do. What are the actions that we can do? What are the thoughts that we get? What are the cycles that we go through, the sleep cycle, the dream cycles, and everything. These are all the different things that we need to know, and we need to practice by going to different deeper levels of the mind and do a lot of things on our own for the benefit of mankind. So friends, again, apologies for the break in the technology, something which was not expected. Something just the whole thing simply collapsed and couldn't really help it. So I had to go into another system by which it took a little time. Now, what I would like you to do before we close this session, whatever I discussed today in this, redo the whole chart again. Write down by yourself, with yourself, in your own hands. Color that chart and try to do some little bit study on it. And when we really do it tomorrow, when we do more on this particular chart, how to go about it, what to do at different levels, and how to do it, that is when you'll understand on your own self as to how the mind controls your brain and what sort of actions you are ultimately taking in your everyday life and what you need to take to correct whatever wrong that is happening in your life. So friends, if you have any comments or if you have any questions, do WhatsApp to me on my number 982 000 3926 or put your comments below this video. So thank you for joining me and being with me. We'll meet again tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Till then, prepare the chart. Have a nice day and God bless.